So guys, I gotta do my video real quick, okay? I want to do a quick review for Pop On Veneers. Um, this has been the most craziest experience, okay? First off, I'm Erica. I am an artist at heart, my soul, my being, my natal chart. I'm an artist. Okay, and for years I have struggled with insecurities, with my gap, and embracing my teeth, and I finally get to the point to where I embrace my teeth, and then boom, I get a cavity in the front and my tooth goes like that. My teeth were already kind of messed up, and I accepted it. I was okay with my smile, all right? But then when I lost that one tooth, it made a world of a difference, and I couldn't emotionally and walk around like that as an artist, grab a microphone, dare get into anybody's face. I don't know, man. I was on social media, Pop On Veneers popped up, and it was like, thank you, algorithm. One of those things. Okay, so the payments were easy to make. Um, and I was very fortunate to go ahead and get them. They sent me the impression kit. I thought I was gonna mess something up, but I did it right. I sent it back to them. It was a totally easy process, totally fast process. I'm a smiler. I'm a Southern belle, so I love to smile at everybody. So it was hard to not be able to do that. Okay. So my veneers came, and as you can see, I tried them on and I love them. There is going to be a picture at the end of what I look like normally with all of my original teeth. Okay, and then I'll also show you a picture of what it looks like without the pop on veneers in. This is just a bridge to dental correction. Okay, until these dentist office can lower their rates. All right. So I just want to encourage somebody, if you're thinking about doing this, do it. Okay. I love my smile. I'm showing you different angles because, um, I'm grateful. This has been life changing for me. I have a gap that was allegedly my signature, and I still have peace. I still have an abundance of self love. I'm getting acclimated. I do have a little lisp right now. I speak differently, but I can feel that it's getting better every day. Um, so I do keep my teeth are still underneath. I still keep them clean. Um, I clean these every night. I don't sleep in them. Eating, I can eat some things in them, but so not to damage my permanent teeth. I'm taking it easy, and I'm letting the everything adjust. Okay, so I eat small things like fruit, soft items, soup, oatmeal, things of that nature. Um, so yeah, get you some. Thank you guys.